Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your AI development company business. While running this company, you get a lot of inquiry about AI features, consultancy and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will show you how to create a chatbot for your AI development business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people who inquire about it, collect their details, and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have already created a chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its proper working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and here I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As you can see, I got a response reply which welcomed me in AI development company. And with that, they have given me 3 action buttons out of which I can select according to my requirement. As I want to know about their services, I will click about. As soon as I selected about our services, I got a reply which tell me about their specialized services. And with that, they have given me 2 action buttons. This time I will select this button. As soon as I've selected the consultation button, I got a response reply which asks my personal detail. Number 1, which is my name. I will enter my name as demo user. After entering my name, they want my email address. For example, I have entered my email address. After entering my email address, they have asked my company name for which I want to book my consultancy. I will enter my company name. After entering my company name, I got a reply that they want to know date and time that will be preferable for me. For example, I want a consultancy on 21st May 2025. As soon as I have entered that, I got a response reply that says my consultancy request reserved and confirmation would be sent on my email. So yes, you can see this chatbot is replying me within seconds, that too without any manual effort. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab, and here you have to enter pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you search this, you will be on the landing page of pabbly.com. Over here, you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I already have my account with Pabbly, I will click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, you will be redirected to all Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But today, as I am working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on Access Now button over here. As soon as you clicked on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. On dashboard page, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place without opening any WhatsApp app separately. To add your WhatsApp number, you can click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, you can see there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you have to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID manually. Whereas in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to open your Meta Business Manage account and connect your WhatsApp business account automatically. Okay, not only that, we have many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below the dashboard, there is an inbox feature where you can manage all your conversation with customer and you don't need to open WhatsApp separately. After that, there is a contact feature where you can create all new contact and separate them according to their requirement. After contact, there is a team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, there is a template section where you can create customized template that can give personalized touch to your chat. After template, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. After that, we have flow section, which is a powerful tool to create chat flow. Below flow, there is AI assistant, setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. As we got the overview for each feature, let's get started building this flow. For that, we need to click on Flow option and you will be landed on Flow Builder page. Here you can create your flow by clicking on Add Flow button, which is given on the top right corner. After clicking on Add Flow button, you will be landed on this page where you can see a window is opened named by Flow Start. Inside this, there are three features: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give a personalized touch to your chat. After choose template, there is a regex. Regex is a regular expression with a special pattern or sequence of character used to find, match, or filter specific text. After that, we have keywords. Keywords are the trigger message which your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know each feature, let's get started building this flow. For that, you need to give a meaningful name to this flow. As I am building this flow for AI development company, I will name my flow accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your AI development. After giving my chat flow a meaningful name, I will start building this chat flow. For that, I will enter regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. As my customer enter a message, I want to respond with a welcome message. For that, I will drag media button from message section over here and connect with my flow start. On this message box, I will insert a picture. For that, I will select image. I'm going to browse my image. I will select my image, and as you can see, my image is added successfully. After that, I will put content. For that, I will click on Add Content button and select the text button. After this, I will enter my content as my welcome message. As you can see over here, with that, I'm going to add few action button which says, I have added my first action button as about our services. I will add one more action button which says consultation, and after that I will add my last action button which will be talk to an agent. After adding my three action button, I want to give separate message for each action button. Let's start with about our services. For that, I'm going to drag and drop this option and select the media. Before entering any message about services, I want to add an attractive image to make our WhatsApp chatbot much more attractive. Again, as I have told you earlier, I'm going to browse my image. As you can see, my image is added. After that, I'm going to add my content, which will tell my customer about our services. For that, I'm going to click on Add Contact button and select text button. Here, I'm going to enter my message, which will tell our customer that whatever services we are providing. With that, I'm going to add few action button. For that, I'm going to again click on Add button option and enter my text consultation. I'm again going to put this consultation text because as my customer liked any of our services, they can take consultation service for better understanding. After that, I'm going to add a talk to agent button if in case they wanted to contact our agent. Let's move to our third action button, which is consultation. For that, I want few details of my customer. Because of that, I need to ask them few questions. For that, I'm going to go to action section and drag and drop this ask question button over here and going to connect my question with our action button, which means as soon as someone click on consultation, a question will be asked to them. And over here, I will enter my message as let's book your consultation. Please share your name. And after that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as name and my format as text. Now you must be wondering from where we can create this contact custom field. For that, you need to save your file and come with me to the settings section. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is saved. Now after coming to settings section, you can see there is an option of contact custom field. As soon as I clicked on this, I will be redirected to this page. Here, I can create as many contact custom field as I want. As I have created my contact custom field already, I will move back to my flow. Let's resume our flow. After name, I want to know about their email address. For that, again, I'm going to go to action section and drag and drop ask question button over here and going to connect my previous question with my Next question. Over here, I will enter my message as please share email. After that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as email and my format as email as well. After email address, I want to know their company name. Again, I'm going to drag ask question button over here and connect with my previous question and enter my message as please share company name, and then I'm going to select my contact custom field as company and my format as any. After that, I want to know few more details like date and time. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question and connect with my previous message. Please share preferred date or time. For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as time slot and my format as any. As I got my desired information about my customer, I will send them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop this option and select the text button over here. And I'm going to enter my message that consultation request received. You can see that I have put my consultation request between 2 stars because I want to send my message in bold letters to my customer. Now let's move to next action button, which says talk to an agent. For talk to agent, I will put a separate message. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop this option, select the text button. As I want to send a message, I will enter my message, which will tell my customer that our agent will be contacting them, and I'm going to connect all my talk to agent button with this message. As you can see, I have entered all the desired details which would be needed to run my chatbot for AI development business. After that, don't forget to save your file. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to work in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free chatbot for yourself. Thank you so much.